We are the Asian boys. This is Mr. Stick. He changed his account, right, Stick?
Yeah.
What does that mean, bro?
Yes, that means yes.
Now today we're gonna play Twing Twing Tower. Shout out to the maker. So Stick, I'm gonna teach you
But
how to
we are
play.
not doing it. Yeah? You gonna teach me how to play. Did I heard that right, bro? Bro, I'm a pro man than you, bro.
We're not sponsoring this. We're just playing it for free. And and we got
Oh,
one free spin because we are I got one free spin because the game knows I am playing this while on video. That's a crazy life hack, right?
yeah.
Did you get something, bro?
I didn't even use my spin.
Okay, let's spin for good
I
luck.
have no.
Dude, my shift is stinking broken. I need a new keyboard.
Oh,
Please watch our videos. I really need a new keyboard and mouse. This slow
I was
speed.
needing it.
And watch our videos so we can buy Robux and give it away to random people. Oh, you sure you know how to play this game?
Yeah, bro.
Have you played this before?
MBS you.
Have you played this before, bro?
I did play this before, but I know how to complete an OB.
Ow,
I'm
ow,
not
ow.
new, okay?
I guess you're a noob though, because you're on a new account. No, I accidentally fell. Bro fell. So, if you want to add us in Discord, our names are Mr. Our names in Discord are Beep476 and Cute Entity.
Zero zero 039.
So that will be it. See you tomorrow, guys. Just kidding. We're not ending the video until we finish this. Hey, bro, look. I have a life hack. Bro,
Okay.
bro, jump, just jump, like this, like this. When you accidentally, oh no, there's an ad. Okay, sometime we'll be playing random games like Berry's Prison, Horror Pizzeria, and more horror games like Doors. But stay tuned for Doors because we're gonna do that tomorrow. And Stick doesn't want to because he's horrified. Because
Who said that?
he said, "No, bro, I don't want to. It has too many jump scares.
No, I
I will not
don't like.
sleep."
I like that. I want to make a video about it because I'm not good at it. People will laugh at me. Okay,
Dude,
that's why I don't want.
we're just new. They will not laugh at us. They will just support us until we do our best. I will not I will not say the things they say in cringe videos like they if you have if you are a great person, you will like this video and subscribe. I will not say that. That's super cringe.
Bro, you just said it.
I will not say that in videos. I'll just say it in this video. That's
See?
that's too cringe. And I will not because I'm a good person. I just sometimes I just troll the dude. No, come on. Bro, wait for me, bruh. Oh no, another
Okay.
ad. Oh no, another ad. Then more gift cards. I want to buy Robux, bro. I'm poor. Where am I? No! Bro, wait for me, bruh.
I am waiting for you.
Oh, where the heck are you, though?
Oh, then.
So if you're new if you're new to this channel, we I am Filipino and Stick is
A good boy. I'm a good boy.
no. Tell your tell your nationality, bro.
No, I'm a good boy. That is my nationality.
He's Pakistan. He's Pakistani.
Bro, I failed and I have to do it all again. I just jumped and died.
GG's, bro. GG's. I'm gonna wait for ya.
Bro, I don't
Wait,
do it anymore.
bro. I got three
This
things.
game,
I got three things. I got a rainbow thing. Look, I got a rainbow thing, bro. I got a rainbow thing.
you can fly.
Yes, I got the rainbow thing for free.
Yo, they are telling me to wait. I don't know how much.
Do you have?
13. Oh, I also get it for free.
Yeah, bro. Let's just fly to the finish line. And GG's.
Yeah. GG's, we just did it. Thanks for watching, guys.
And if you like this video, tell us and we'll do more Obi videos. See you later. Goodbye. We're just kidding, bro.
Bye.
We're just kidding. We're just kidding. We aren't we
Yeah.
aren't doing it. We're trollers. Haha. They got trolled. So bad.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
So what did you do, bro?
What? How do we get back to the spawn? Let's try the other
Let's
game. Let's try the other game that they recommend. And we're not gonna play those because those are troll.
yo, yo, yeah,
But yo,
yo.
where are you? Okay, we're gonna switch games. This is part one of playing random games. So see you in part two. Bye.
Yo, join me.
Do it part two. Okay. Bye. This is part two. Part one. This is part one. Bye.